Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix echo on any mic, PC, PS4, Xbox One, any console, anything you play games on. Alright, so I'm going to be going over three things. Number one, if your TV volume is turned up way too loud, then the input will go in through your mic and your friends will hear it. I've had this problem before, and it's been so bad my friends have not even wanted to play with me. But I found that out, and it has fixed friendships. The second problem, if your headset volume is turned up way too loud, then people through your mic can actually hear it. So if it's coming out here, it goes down to here. And just turn down your headset. It's not that hard. And the third thing, if none of those work, and you have a wired mic, then you might just want to shove the wire in completely to the controller and make sure it's in there tight. So, I hope that helps you guys, and goodbye. Welcome to my channel.